Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. You know what I think makes a beautiful home textile? Texture. And that is exactly what drew me to these waffle towels from GILDEN was the gorgeous texture. I love the waffle pattern, and you have this beautiful fringe on the front. So it really takes something that you need from a functional standpoint and also makes it a beautiful piece of decor in your home. These are really absorbent and soft. They have washed up really well. My boys got toothpaste all over the black one and it came out and looks brand new. You could use these virtually anywhere in your home, whether it be the bathroom or the kitchen. I think they are a beautiful statement in any spot. I think the quality is superb, even with all the stitching with the waffle pattern. There's no loose threads. The seams are all perfect. You can tell they're gonna last a long time. These are also longer than our typical bathroom hand towels, which I like. I think that adds to the functionality. But if you love a great textured textile that's really gonna add to your decor, you're gonna love these bathroom hand towels from GILDEN. And that's my point of view.